Welcome. If you want to enter split screen in your XIAOMI Mi 10 Lite, at first you have to open apps that you are going to use. So I will go for Google Chrome and also for Play Store. After that we have to click right here to open background apps, then select split screen in the left upper corner, click and hold one of the application, then then we have to drag it right here and then tap on the second application. Right now we are able to work on the two apps at the same time, and we can also resize this application by moving the switcher. And if you want to exit this mode, you have to swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.